In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new worksheets in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can either create a brand new workbook or open an existing one, depending on what you need for your project. A workbook is the main Excel file, and inside that workbook, you can have multiple worksheets. These worksheets are helpful for organizing different sets of data in one place, such as separate budgets, lists, schedules, or reports. Once your workbook is open, look toward the bottom of the Excel window. This is where you'll find the Sheet tabs. They usually have names like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or something similar if the workbook has already been edited. These tabs represent the individual worksheets inside your workbook, and this is the area you'll use to move between sheets and add new ones. Next, find the plus sign, also called the New Sheet button, located next to the existing Sheet tabs. When you click this button, Excel will instantly create a new worksheet for you. This is the quickest and easiest way to add more space to your workbook without affecting the sheets you already have. As soon as you click the button, a new worksheet will appear as another tab at the bottom. It will usually be given a default name automatically. You can leave that name as it is for now or rename it later if you want to keep your workbook more organized. Adding separate worksheets can make your file much easier to manage, especially when you're working with different categories of information. If you need more than one worksheet, simply repeat the same process. Just click the plus sign again each time you want to add another sheet. Excel will continue creating new worksheets one by one, and each one will appear as a new tab in your workbook. This is useful when you want to separate data clearly instead of placing everything on one crowded sheet. As a quick tip, try to keep an eye on your sheet tabs as you add more worksheets so you can stay organized from the beginning. Even in simple workbooks, using multiple sheets can save time and make navigation easier later on. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create new worksheets in Microsoft Excel quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.